No, pierwszy raz bezbłędnie. Także witam serdecznie. Chodząca śmierć. Walking Dead. Po polsku żywe trupy rzekomo. To grajmy.
I told you there was something up with this room. It's a goddamn human slaughterhouse.
Sub kosztuje mniej więcej 20 zł.
Ugh, I think I'm gonna be sick.
Uj. Nie ustawiajcie slow mode'a. Nie wiem kto jest taki głuchy, ale nie róbcie slow mode'a na czacie. Kupujesz Piotrze Franceski suba? No, polecam się. Polecam się na przyszłość.
Ugh, I think I'm gonna
Ej,
be sick.
to już oglądałem. Maszyna,
God, what's wrong with these people?
Krajzyga. 21:38 dokładnie. Znaczy to też zależy pewnie jaką metodą płatności.
Maybe I shouldn't have sent Clementine through there. This room would give anybody nightmares.
Wszystko zależy. To się przyda na pewno.
Jesus, this is where they butcher people.
Sick bastards. All of them.
No. Ciężko to inaczej nazwać. Wolę paralizator, wolę paralizator.
Clem will be safe in here for now.
Uuu.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Getting my family back.
What are you gonna do? Walk up and grab his gun?
Good a plan as any.
Ej, w sumie to jest racja. Z paralizatora pstrykniesz raz, dwa razy i albo się okaże, że akumulator zdupiony czy coś. Bierzemy sierp. Bierzemy sierp. Sierpem można udupić łeb. Ja, to będzie dobre. Paralizator to jest jednak technologia. To może być zawodne. Fakt faktem. Snipera.
All out here.
Dad, what are you doing outside the barn?
Oh shit! Just guarding the place like you said.
People sitting out in the rain like a damn weirdo. Mama says we can't keep that many folks.
Mama
alive.
powiedziała.
I expect so.
Mama
One of them
powiedziała.
And kill the rest.
Wiecie co?
Not the kid. Not enough meat on the tray.
Ja sobie to zgaszę, bo już mam całe oczy czerwone.
This is
Take a
my
look through the
favorite part
cracks.
too. When I let one think they can just walk right out, they never even look down.
What's he doing out there?
I don't know. Take him out together.
How?
He doesn't know we're out. He's gotta walk past us to get to the meat locker. We can take him out when his back is to us.
See what he's doing now.
Sierpem czuję. Dobrze. Kuwa, średnio. Dobrze. I do wnyka. Dobrze, dobrze. Bardzo dobrze. Porobiony. Idealiozo. On jeszcze żyje.
You see? You understand now, don't you? You can have me. It's how the world works now. Give part of yourself so others can live.
I should fucking kill you right now.
Mark never volunteered to be food!
You gotta keep me alive. If you kill me, the meat gets tainted. You can't eat it.
You're already tainted.
You ain't gonna kill me. Just like he didn't kill Jolie.
Pojebany, zabijamy. Sorry.
Katja!
Just go. I'll keep Clementine safe.
Bo miał inne poglądy polityczne, tak. Tylko wyłącznie z kuli tego.
Kenny!
Burza taka jak 2 dni temu. Larego to reanimował. Kurde, bo Larry nie zjadał ludzi. Idą szefowie. A!
Carly!
Lee?
Ow!
Shh. Is everyone okay? You guys have been gone way too long.
Get out of here!
Why? What's going on?
Ben, quiet. Tell me what's going on, Lee. I can help.
Larry's dead! They chopped off Mark's legs and tried to feed him to us!
Shit. Is everyone else okay?
They've still got Duck and Katja in the house, and I don't know where the fuck Kenny is.
All right, we're coming in to help.
The main gate is too dangerous. Go around the fence and see if there's a back way in. I'll keep looking for Kenny. Do you have a weapon?
I don't leave home without it. Ben,
No.
stick close. And Lee, be
Jest
careful.
giwera, jest zabawa.
Something's up. I'm gonna take the boy, check around back.
Please don't take my boy.
Let's go, woman.
Settle down. I don't want to hurt y'all. Andy? Danny, is that you? What's going on out there?
Yeah, it's me.
Kurwa mać!
Come here.
Nie wyszło mi.
Go! Lee, get back! Don't come in here. You just had to go snooping around, didn't you?
Let her go, Brenda.
Lee, please don't you take another step.
Brenda, come on now. You know you don't want to do this.
Just go away and leave us be.
Ja pierdaczę.
Stop right there, I mean it! No!
Fuck! I died.
You just had to go snooping around, didn't ya?
Let her go, Brenda.
Brindza, let her go.
Please, please don't you take another step.
Brenda, come on now. You know you don't want to do this.
Just go away and leave us be. Stop right there, I mean it.
Think about what you're doing. It doesn't have to end like this.
I'll kill her, Lee.
Just let me go.
Stay back. Don't do anything stupid.
Tam jest chyba ten, Mark przemieniony.
What happened, Brenda? Your family was obviously smart. How did it come to this?
Just stop.
To jest Mark w wersji turbo.
I don't want to kill you, Lee.
This dairy was your bride. Look what you've done to it.
Stop. I mean it.
Zaro ją chyci za Wela. Przepraszam. Ha, ha.
They took Doug. Where's Kenny?
I said, don't move, asshole! Don't you fucking hurt him!
Oh my god.
Let him go, goddammit! That ain't gonna happen!
Andy, don't!
Shut up!
Andy!
Who the fuck do you people think you are? Look at what you done!
You brought this on yourself.
No, you did this! All we wanted was a little gas to keep ourselves safe!
Kurde. Scyca. Na pizdę. Au.
Get up! Get the fuck up!
Kurde. Niech ktoś coś zrobi! Kurwa!
Lily!
O. Lewy, prawy, lewy, prawy, lewy. O. Ugh.
Lee, that's enough.
O. Trochę opuchu.
He's had enough.
Is that all you got, Lee? You ain't shit! It's over! Fuck you! As soon as Dad and Mama get out here, you're all fucked!
They're not coming.
What do you mean? Lee? What the fuck do you mean? Don't you dare walk away from me, Lee! Get back here and finish this, Lee!
A! I tak jest porobiony, to... Martyniuk został sam.
Get back here and fight me like a man, Lee! Lee!
They're getting in!
Lee!
Let's go.
Powiem wam, to było dramatyczne. Mocno.
Hey, Lee. I'd say I'm sorry for leaving the motel unattended, but, you know.
I'm glad you showed up when you did. If you hadn't taken that shot at Andy, we might not have gotten out of there.
Were they really killing people? For food?
No, bez ściemy.
Yeah,
Tak
they
było.
were.
That is sick. God, just... Ugh. Clementine, she doesn't know, right?
She's not stupid, Carly.
Katja managed to grab this while she was in the house. She said it was with your stuff.
Yeah. I found it while I was looking for the people who shot Mark. Do you want it?
Why don't you keep it? Sometimes it helps to have something you can document your thoughts on.
How are you doing?
I'll be fine. Just not as young as I used to be. Hun, go on ahead and give me and Lee a second. There's gonna be fallout.
For killing Lily's dad? Yeah, I would imagine so.
What do you think?
You murdered Larry.
Fuck you, man. You're alive because of me. Why didn't you have my back?
I saved your wife and kid.
No, I saved them by making sure Larry didn't kill us.
I couldn't do it, Ken.
Well, maybe we should stay out of each other's way for a while.
Come on, Clementine. Stay close.
Lee, did you have to kill those men?
I'm sorry you had to see that, but I only did it to protect us.
Because they tried to hurt us?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, Dad. What's that noise?
Sounds like a car.
Oh god, not more strangers.
Ten jest najtragiczniejszy, ten mody. To jest taki mamlas. Taki, kurde... No, takociula, no, taki takociula. Borok taki, borok.
Come out or I'll shoot!
Czy można donate'a za pomocą PSC? Nie, za pomocą PSC można dać suba. A donate'ować chyba z PSC akurat się nie da, ale można rozlicznymi innymi metodami. Obie te rzeczy robić. I subować, i donate'ować.
Figures.
Oh, crap. Baby, you gotta see this. It's a shitload of food and supplies back here.
Co ty tu pisz?
This food could save all of us. Not all of us.
Look, we don't know if these people are dead.
If they come back, then we're just monsters who came out of the woods and ruined their lives.
This stuff isn't ours. Dad, whose car is it?
Don't worry about that, Duck. It's ours now.
It's abandoned, Ducky. Don't worry.
What if it's not? Well, what if it's not abandoned? What if it is someone's?
Kurde. I teraz tak. Prawo dżungli, bo inwazja zombie, czyli można by było zajebać bez kozery i mieć to w dupie. Ale jak nam by ktoś zajebał, to by był płacz. Musimy się wczuć. Musimy się wczuć w rolę. Musimy się wczuć, jakbyśmy byli w świecie pełnym zombie. I byli głodni, bo wcześniej chcieli nas nakarmić kolegom. I w ogóle. A może to jest niczyje, a może ktoś to i tak zajebę, BBB. Bierzemy.
We have to take this, Clementine. We need it to survive.
Mogli pilnować.
I'm sorry, sweetheart, but it's not about right and wrong anymore.
Mogli
It's about
pilnować.
survival.
My swojego pilnowali.
It's locked.
No shit, I already tried that. But I heard you take the keys from up front.
Supplies?
I'll take it.
Moi drodzy, no dżungla, jak nie my, to oni.
Great. Maybe we'll survive this after all. Duck, why don't you carry
Dzieci tu
this?
mamy,
Okay.
trzeba się o nie martwić. Kurde, no to jest taki świat, no. Zawsze mogło być gorzej. Mogliśmy na przykład się zaczaić na właścicieli auta i ich pociąć i zjeść, jak tamci poprzedni, także
More
wiecie.
food in here. Got a box of food here.
I'll carry it.
This hoodie looks to be about your size. Why don't you hold on to this? It might get cold.
Trzymaj się,
It's not
wilczunieczek.
mine.
It's yours now.
Hey, there were some batteries in one of those boxes. I thought they might work in your camcorder. Here, you can have some too. For your walkie-talkie.
Batteries, huh? Think you can handle those?
You're not gonna let me live that down, are you?
Baba nie umiała wrazić bateriów do radia.
Oh,
Normalnie
God.
na opy wraziła.
Lee, you're gonna wanna see this.
Poka, co to za gangbang?
Oh, shit.
What? Ej, kamerowali nas. Albo to ta babka nas kamerowała.
Jake, Bart, Linda, and all y'all fucking sickos from the save lots. They call y'all bandits, but you're fucking raping one. Oh, darling baby, look at you. Look at you. Oh, you need a mama, sweetheart. We won't let them bandits get you, will we? No.
Okay,
Where's your hat?
I don't know. Can you help me find it?
Sure. When did you lose it?
I had it a couple days ago.
I promise. If
Y'all
I find
thinking
it,
you're
I'll
safe?
let you know.
Sitting there acting like things are the way they used to be. The dead don't kill their own. It's the living you gotta be afraid of. The people I used to call friends. The people who do... Don't worry, little girl. Bandits got their eye on that dairy. As long as they keep getting food from them, you'll be safe. I promise.
Shit. Ciężka sprawa.
This place is done. It's time to move on.
Move on.
It's not like you ever listen to a damned word I say.
Is this all you got?
I told you this town is tapped. Do you have any idea what we had to do to get all that? We need to leave. Duck was asking about the farm last night. Not much phases at all. It's starting to add up. I need to get to the coast. Get him out of all this madness. Lily's not doing so good, huh?
You murdered her dad.
I did what I had to, and you know it. Maybe people out there got things lined up better. Better than us, at least. Could be folks who have all this shit figured out.
Do people get mad when they're scared?
Sometimes, yeah, they do.
Będziemy cukiem
This is
jechać.
crazy! I'm the one keeping this group going!
We can sort this all out, all right? We can sort this out.
I'll tell you what we need to sort out. We can't let one person fuck this up for everyone else!
Epizod 3. Przed nami długa droga. Czyli tak. Byłem w większości, która ucięła. Czemu nie miałem tego powiedzieć? Ucięła nogę. Tam szczelili. Tu też w większości. Zabiłem 2. To nie zabiliśmy. I byłem we większości, ale tak lekko tylko tych, co ukradli jedzenie. Czyli tak mało hipstersko tym razem generalnie. Nie no, całego... A, musimy poczekać, aż to przeleci, tak? Całego sezonu nie będę grał, na pewno. Ale jeszcze pogramy. Czy ja to muszę oglądać? Czy mogę do menu i sobie odpalić następne, znaczy kontynuację? To epizod, no tak. Muszę to obejrzeć. Tak, są 2 sezony. Trzymaj się, Iskor. Mark Barbolak. No, o dobra, już się chyba kończą, albo nie? Special thanks goes to Niklos for playing our game. Spodobało mi się, tak, bardzo mi się podoba. Mam nadzieję, że wam się też dobrze ogląda, bo zabawa jest przednia. Ja w takie gry w zasadzie, wiecie, przeważnie nie grywam. Także to jest do mnie coś nowego i bardzo mi się podoba. Przed nami długa droga. zajebiście się ogląda. To fantastycznie.
Previously on The Walking Dead. Get the gates open! We've got wounded!
I want to know why you thought bringing more mouths to feed was a good idea.
You've been good to me and my family. You saved Duck from those monsters, and you stood up to Larry at the drugstore. I won't forget that.
No one's trying to cut you out of anything.
Those look like the people who raided my
Calm
camp.
down, you're paranoid.
Fuck you!
Did you tell anyone out there who you were, or that you were tied to this place?
That's right. I know who you are, and I know you're a killer.
He's not dead! Somebody help me!
Come on! We know this guy's not gonna make it!
Kenny! What the fuck?
Sounds like a car. There's a shitload of food and supplies back here.
We have to take this, Clementine. We need it to survive.
Don't worry, little girl. Bandits got their eye on that dairy. As long as they keep getting food from them, you'll be safe.
Fajnie mu łeb rozdupił. To była taka sytuacja, byłem w takim szoku. Shit. Ostro. Żywe trupy biegają koło dupy. Epizod 3. Epizod w sumie, nie epizod.
Looks like this is our lucky
To
day.
po angielsku tak powiedziałem. Epizod.
Yeah, maybe. They tend to take us by surprise.
Yeah, well, the less I see, the happier I am.
Trzymaj się, Aktyn.
You made up your mind yet?
About what?
When it comes to the getting the hell out of Macon, I bet you're in the let's stay put camp, considering I've been pushing everyone to leave.
We should go. The motel's run its course, and it's not safe.
Well, if that's what you think, you should probably fucking speak up. Lily's dug in. Okay, just like last time. Over the rig, into the pharmacy, and scrape together whatever supplies are left.
We didn't leave much in there.
Hey, we're out of options. Something's better than nothing. Shit.
You okay?
The ladder's come loose. I'm not sure how many more trips she's got in her.
I'm not sure how many more trips we've got in us.
No kidding.
Bez jaj. Smętne motywy.
They're blocked by all the fallen concrete. Looks like it still works.
Lily's not doing so good, huh?
She'll be fine.
If you say so. You're the only one she seems to give a damn about anymore. Well, you and Clem.
Nie, dzisiaj nie będzie całe. Tak, to jest to, co było na początku. Tam jest ta apteka, do której żeśmy nie dotarli. Summa summarum. Wszystko się zgadza. Ja jeszcze sobie tutaj obejrzę. Co się dzieje?
They're blocked by all the fallen concrete.
Your girl still upset with you for agreeing to take that stuff from the station wagon?
I think she understands.
Hope so. Not like we had much choice.
Right.
Ale on to wykombinował. Czy wiedziałem, że mój stream znajduje rozbite rodziny? Tego nie wiedziałem. Jak zareaguje na końcu? No zobaczymy. Do tego jeszcze trochę czasu.
Duck was asking about that guy at Herschel's farm last night.
Really? I wasn't sure it fazed him.
Of course it did.
It was a scary situation for him, Sean dying and all.
I'm just worried he'll always think it was his fault.
You're sure you're up for this?
Lee, I'm fine. I've got this. Give me your hand.
Shit!
Fuck.
What the hell happened? Thought you said you could handle it.
You ever been shot before? I'm sorry. For Christ. You'd think you'd...
Poczekajcie chwilkę. Lisek, niech to będzie przykład dla wszystkich. To był IP ban tak zwany. Co jest karą za spoiler?
Somebody help me! Oh God! Oh God!
What the hell is that? A walker?
Walkers don't scream, do they?
Jesus, I don't think so.
It's a girl. We have to help her.
How? There's no getting to her.
We gotta do something.
Bye, Leon.
Fuck. We gotta shoot her. Put her out of this
I
misery.
don't know we're here.
What do you mean?
I mean, we leave her alive, and she draws them all to her, buying us time. Yeah, think about it. We're always worrying about the ones we can't see. She stays alive and brings them all out of their holes.
Ej, ja chciałem do zombie strzelić, nie?
God damn it.
Ale w sumie jej przysługę wydałem i tak, wydałem.
Now look what you done.
Dałem.
Let's move.
A myślałem, że może się uda uratować czy coś, no bo gościu gadał, że to nie od gryzienia się bierze, nie?
Fuck! Incoming! Come on, Lee!
Sam już nie wiem.
It's sturdy as hell, but we ain't got much time. Get everything you can out of these racks. Don't forget underneath the counter this time. I'll clear down here and then we gotta go.
Dobra. A nie, że nie
Incoming!
tylko.
Come on, Lee! Up and over. We're still clear. Let's hustle.
Kenny, help!
Fuck.
Fridge! Out! Let's fucking get out!
kolby.
Fuck was that?
They're everywhere. You took care of yourself, didn't you?
You're back. Ben found some stickers in a drawer, and I put them on my walkie.
Hey, Sweet Pea. That's neat. I'll find you in a minute.
Looks like we got the kid on watch again.
What'd you get?
We might as well leave a sign out that says the men are gone and come and rape our women and children.
Huh. So, what did you get?
Lot of stuff.
Ej, chyba mi się dużo udało pozbierać, mi się
We're
wydaje.
fine, by the way.
Nice work. This'll keep us going. If we carry on like this, we'll get through the winter here.
The winter? We'll freeze our asses off here.
Because piling into an RV with you, after what you did to my dad, is so appealing.
Why wouldn't it be? You know I'll do what it takes to keep everyone safe.
We have to go eventually, Lily.
I know, Lee. I know. Eventually is different. At it again, are we?
Can it, Carly?
Don't boss people around.
3 baby,
I'm sorry.
3 chłopy.
Somebody needs to make executive decisions for the group, though. And I don't think you're capable in it.
We're strongest together. I know you think I'm on her side, but there are no sides, damn it.
What about the food situation? What about protection? What about when this place falls? Somebody's got to be thinking about this shit.
How has this not been working? We have everything we need.
We deal with shit as it comes, just like we always do.
And when 15 bandits hop over that wall in the middle of the night? What then? You just gonna deal with that?
Everything that happens to us is another excuse for you to pull this crap about leaving. All I want is a week of peace, of not hearing it.
We wouldn't even be fighting about our medicine and supply stocks if Lee hadn't fucked up downtown.
What do you mean?
Some girl came screaming out of an alley. She had dead hanging all over her. She was making enough noise that we would have had plenty of time to get what we needed. Instead, smart guy shot her.
He what?
He put her out of her misery. Stupid.
I couldn't let her suffer.
We're all suffering.
Some more than others.
We've been putting our lives on the line doing these runs into the city. You wouldn't believe the shit we see.
We all appreciate it, Ken.
Y'all should be giving Lee hell for not doing what needed to be done.
It's not so easy for him.
Look, Macon and its people aren't savable. It's not a town. It's full of walkers, and the people who were left are dying and wandering out onto the streets. It's hell on Earth, and it's coming this way.
It's not going to be easier out on the road!
How would you know?
What I know? I know you're not above murder. I know somebody has been stealing our supplies. That's right, stealing! And I know the list of people I can trust here gets smaller every day! Now everybody get out!
LOL. Jako haja.
She'll get over it.
She's riling everybody up otherwise.
You understand, Ken.
All I know is, whenever this shit happens, I'm the fucking bad guy. I'd like a thank you for once. For once!
Things are coming to a head.
You could say that.
Well, I think you did good today. And I find myself thinking that most days.
Thanks.
It's probably worth following up with Lily about what she was saying about missing supplies. With her wound up the way she is,
Co
I
na mnie
don't
po
want to see her
pysku maca?
paranoid.
No question.
and I'd like to talk when you've got a minute.
No, dokładnie. On się ciepie o zaszczelenie tamtej, a kurde starego zrzędliwego to sam odpierdolił i jeszcze mu cegówką łeb zmiażdżył. No, poważnie. Trochę, kurde, samokrytyczności.
Talk to Lily yet?
No, not yet. I will.
What I wanted to say was, I've been thinking a lot about you.
Ooh.
I think about you too.
Our group is small.
You're small.
You're a convicted killer.
Carly, Jesus.
And I think people should know. Not because they deserve to, and not because you're a bad man. I think the opposite of those two things. People need to know because we're hanging by a thread here, and I can't see Lily talk about you without thinking it's the next thing she's going to say. You don't have to tell everyone, but think about who you trust and take the opportunity while you have it.
You're probably right.
Może i
Of
fakt.
course I'm probably right. People might be pissed, and telling them might cause some trouble, but it will be a far cry from what'll happen if they don't hear it from you.
Yeah.
Może jest w tym sporo
So
racji.
you'll do it then?
No
I'll
powiem.
let people know. You're totally right.
Good. I think it's for the best.
Kusik.
Call me small.
Kusik był. Ciekawe, czy będą też następne levele.
Is there anything else you want to talk about?
Czy coś bardziej a nieważne.
You really think people are ready to hear about me?
It's not a matter of ready or not. There's never going to be a good time, but there are going to be a lot of bad ones. Right now doesn't seem like one of them. But everyone's different. Who knows how each person would take it, you know? Maybe it's worth thinking about who you want to tell.
Do you feel safe here?
Show me a bath with a heated floor in a high-rise apartment and hand me a full-bodied Malbec and then I'll feel safe. I don't know. This place is fine, but we all know that could change at any second.
You, have any thoughts about Lily?
I worry about her, that's about it. She keeps trying to run things, but it's just not working.
I'm gonna look into this thing.
Good idea.
Good idea. Co tam moda?
Hey, Clementine.
Haley,
What's that you're working on, Clem?
it's called a leaf rubbing. My teacher, Miss Moore, showed us how to do them when we went to the botanical garden once. See, it's the same. Kind of.
Ah, that's really something.
I'll make one for you, too.
Do you like it here?
I don't like it here.
Do you want to leave?
Where are we going?
Somewhere else.
I don't know. Maybe if I knew where?
Yeah, that'd be a good thing to know. Clem, I need to talk to you for a second.
Okie dokie.
The day you and I met, I was in a car accident.
I remember. Your leg was bleeding.
The car I was in was a police car, and I was on my way to jail for committing a crime. I need to tell you now, because I don't want you to hear it any other way.
Okay.
Do you have anything to say?
I don't think so.
You can, go on back to your things.
Moda przyjęła to dobrze, to dobrze. Teraz czas na nich.
Hey, you two. How you doing?
We're okay.
Just having a little spat.
We all carry guns now, and I don't like it.
It's the way it's gotta be.
I know, but I'm not getting used to it. I'm sorry. How are you, Lee?
Kenny, you got a second? I need to tell you something.
Yeah? What do you got?
It's serious.
Okay, should I sit down?
Come on. I was, on my way to prison 3 months ago.
No shit.
No shit.
Wasn't for touching kids, was it?
No, it wasn't.
Because we got 2 here.
I killed a guy in a fight.
Should I be worried there's anything else in your past that's gonna come out?
No.
Good. But you should know, if we gotta make numbers when it comes to a boat, this is gonna matter.
Co? Zara. Ej, o jakiej łodzi my gadamy? Chyba żeśmy trochę za daleko zabryli.
Hi, guys. Can I talk to you about something?
Sure. Is everything okay?
I was, on my way to prison 3
Aha,
months
że
ago.
jak będą odpływać.
You've
A.
always looked at me with kind eyes.
Aha.
I wonder if
A.
you could still do that if you
Dobra.
knew I was a convicted felon.
My goodness, for what? How much trouble can a teacher get into?
Well, plenty. But it had nothing to do with that. It was for murder.
Why?
He and my wife,
That's enough. Tell me what happened when you were locked in the fridge at the dairy.
I was giving Larry CPR with Lily. Kenny came in from out of nowhere and put a stop to it.
What did he do?
He smashed his head in. Gotcha.
Everything keeps changing.
Z tej gry się nie warto uczyć angielskiego. Everything keep changing. Po polsku nic nie jest stałe. Czyli po angielskie I'm a good person, po polsku nie jestem złą osobą. Ale to wymyśliłem, co nie?
Hey, Ben.
What's up, Lee?
Hey, Ben, I need to tell you something.
Sure, Lee. Is it about my watch? I'm trying to do a good job.
You're doing fine. I was, on my way to prison before this.
Whoa, seriously? What, were you in for?
It's not important.
Oh.
Just, if you hear anything, it's probably true. And now you know.
Thanks for trusting me, man.
Ben, relax.
Okay.
Sounds like Kenny actually has that thing running. I'll believe it when I see it.
Czy jeszcze z kimś mamy do pogadania? Ci byli. A, tamta wie. Chyba wszystko. Trzymaj się, czekoladowy.
You don't have to apologize.
Did you come in here to give me hell or to coddle me?
I wanted to follow up on what you said about stolen supplies.
Do you know what's going on?
I don't. I just heard you mention it.
Things are missing, and I could use your help. There's a traitor. Somebody, one of us, out there. He or she or they have been taking things.
For real? Who? What do you got?
Yes, for real. And I don't have shit. I just know.
Lily.
The count's off, and it's the good stuff. Antibiotics, oxy, fuck, anything with opium in it.
I see the count, and it's fine.
I keep my own. That one's getting messed with. I'm a fucking mess right now, but I'm not stupid. I know what happens if I start a witch hunt.
So you want me to start one?
I want you to poke around.
What's there to go on?
I found this tossed into the garbage.
Huh.
We don't toss out equipment, we fix it. You'd only try to get rid of a flashlight if you were using it when you shouldn't.
Tak, sposób prowadzenia fabuły i historii bardzo mi się podoba. Wszystko mi się generalnie podoba.
I'll poke around a little bit.
Thank you.
A mystery.
Jesus, Doc.
I'm sorry. I heard you guys talking.
You need to unhear all of that.
Can I help?
What did I just say?
You're the Grace detective, and I can be Dick Grayson, your ward. That's Robin.
I know who it is. You can help. Don't tell anybody.
Secrecy.
Yeah, good.
What do I do?
I don't know. Go look around. Let me know if you find anything weird.
I'm on the case.
Batman. Tak było. Tak mi pomoże. Dzieciak ma kuku na muniu. No, jest taki troszkę nadpobudliwy. Dobra. Pogadajmy jeszcze tutaj.
I talked to Kenny about who I am.
And?
I don't know. Feels like I just gave him ammo if we ever have to make any tough decisions when it comes to a head count.
Well, don't worry.
I talked to Katja.
How'd she take it?
She was fine, I guess. I think she's more upset about Kenny.
Because of the St. John's? What exactly did he do back there?
Oh, don't you start now. I talked to Clementine about things.
How'd she handle it?
I don't know. She's tough to read.
She adores you. Don't worry.
Be happy.
I told Ben.
You told Ben? Funny you picked him.
Low risk.
I take it he didn't know what to do with the information.
Not even a little. He's just happy I told him something. Do you know anything about this flashlight?
It's broken.
I know it's broken.
And the batteries might be in backwards.
It uses just one.
Everything should. What was the question?
Did you break the flashlight?
No.
Okay. I'll talk to you later.
I'll talk to you later.
To są jajcarze. Dobra, moi drodzy, ja sobie tu stopnę, żeby ten odcinek był trochę krótszy na YouTubkach i widzimy się w kolejnym